Hi, Sarah here. I've got a quick haul video for you today. This is the December Daily Documenting December Creative Kit, and also the Advent, which is lots of little parcels and you open one a day. I believe they're both still in stock in the shop. I will leave links to them if they are, but it depends when my video goes live whether they'll still be available. So without further ado, I'll show you the creative kit. I won't be showing you what's inside each Advent parcel, which is 24 or 25 little parcels because of spoilers and that, but I will do a video showing them throughout December, so they're not spoilers, so I'll do them after the fact. But I will show you what's in the creative kit because that's for documenting throughout December. So without further ado, I will show you the kit. Okay, so this is the kit. I'll show you the watercolours at the end. I'll just give you a quick look. These ones aren't wrapped, so you can see the colours off them. They're really bright and shimmery. I'll do a swatch video right at the end if you want to stay tuned for that right at the end to show you how they look once they're on paper. So as well as the 4 watercolours, we have all these bits and bobs to use as well. So I'll start off with the papers from the back. So we have, looking at that, I'm going to say they have been designed by Jo. Those beautiful watercolour presents. They're so cute. I love that page. There's also some other papers here that are double-sided. We have pink stars and red on the back, and these are 6x6. We have lots of colourful trees and joy, merry, bright, lots of text words on that side, and they're in a nice pale mint green. We have some string lights with a pale mint green background with a green stripe on the back. We have some dots in rainbow colours with some baubles, whoops, that way around, the baubles on the reverse there. We have more words on a bright pink background with yellow stars on the reverse for that one. And we have this pale green stripe with some trees and stars, and it looks like confetti, I guess, on the reverse of that one. So those are the papers. Then we have, oh good, I'm so glad these are in here. The same watercolour presents are here, and they're all in little stickers so that you can stick them down individually there. I love them. I want a million sheets of those. They're gorgeous. We have some hand painted, again, stickers, and these ones are trees. Very, very cute. Loving those. We have some rainbow shiny sticker alphas. We have some more hand painted beautiful stickers here. They're so gorgeous. I love her artwork. It is amazing. So we have those. We have, of course, with it being for documenting December, we have the 1 to 31 plus 1 extra. Beautiful rainbowy, sorry if you heard my phone buzz, beautiful bright rainbow colours on there with the numbers, and then the spare one there, and then they've been splashed with watercolour. Apologies if you can hear my baby. Some metallic watercolours over the top, which is really effective, really beautiful. So they'll just peel off individually. Little stickers there. So we have those. We have some cards here as well. Let me work from the back. We have the watercolour presents again with a faded section that you could journal in. We have another one, but this time it's already got some script in there. We have a beautiful watercolour present. I need to try and recreate them. I love them. Watercolour presents are gorgeous. We have some cute baubles as well. All those are Jo's artwork. We have Shine On and Shine Bright as well. And these are just under 3 by 3 inch squares. So they go in pocket pages if you wanted to do that. And we also have some tags. So they'd be perfect to stick in and then pop your journaling inside. So we have Merry Christmas on gold foil, super shimmery. We have a cute little snowman as well on a teal background. We have this gold, beautiful gold Art Deco style one here. We have two of them. I don't think I meant to get two. We have this glittery Nutcracker guy. And that's the same one there. And this pink with candy canes as well. So like I say, all those ones are gift tags so that you can use them as journaling spots, which is great. We also have some washi tape, and this is a metallic bronzy kind of colour. I'll just try and open it slightly so there we go. I don't know how well my lights will pick that up, but it's super sparkly and a nice bronzy colour. So we have that, and we also have a tag with some satin hot kind of pink, fuchsia pink cord attached. Also brilliant for doing journaling. So that is the creative kit, and I will do a swatch, as I say, right at the end of those if you want to stay tuned for that. And I'll just quickly show you the rest of the things that are in here, which are the Advent items. So this is the Advent portion of my haul today, and each one has a number on, and they're all wrapped up with those beautiful watercolour numbers, so you can open one a day. So there's 2, 3, and they're all different packages, all different things inside, and amongst these there are watercolours as well, so probably the smaller ones I'm guessing, and then there's some quite large items. So obviously I won't be opening them today, but I will do a video, especially if you're interested in seeing what's in there at a later date. I'll do them so that I'm doing them after the day, so that no one's seeing them before they should. I don't want to spoil it for anyone who's also got the Advent. As I said, if there are any left, I will link them below. What I'll be doing, in case you are interested, I do have this box as well, which I'll open now. So I have this one as well from Sugar and Sloth, and inside here I have some Advents as well, which also have the days on, and there's 12 of these ones. So I'm going to do a combination of these two companies. They're both small independent companies run by women in the UK. So I will open those every few days in December. Sorry if I've started waffling on. I will now quickly, at the end of the video, show you these watercolours in my swatch book, and that is it. So thanks for joining me today. Do like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I do have process videos using the supplies I do get in my hauls as well. So yes, stay tuned for those. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.